Hey, my name is Emelie Kronquist, and this is my game audio design reel. All the clips you'll hear today were made using my own recording equipment, Reaper, various plugins, and library sound effects. As a challenge to create consistent weapon sounds, I redesigned Sojourn's plasma gun from Overwatch 2. To make it consistent, I focused on one major element to every sound, a soda can. By tapping, opening, pouring, sipping, tearing, and doing anything I could think of to the can, I created a palette of effects that could be used for every sound. Using the Weaponizer plugin, I could easily add synthesizers, gun foley noises, and subtle variations to the weapons. I could export each individual gunshot for use in the game to be synced to player input, or, like I did here, record the bursts manually to time the full animations. The gaming YouTuber Time and Tactics commissioned me to design sound effects for his channel logo. After discussing the atmosphere of his channel and videos with him, I settled on a mechanical sound design that could be played along with the logo animation. Along with creating sound effects, I'm also able to implement them into game engines like Unity and Unreal using audio middleware, scripting, and their built-in audio engines. In this Unity demo I made, I added a check using C# scripting to check the elevation of the player to modify the music and environmental sound effects. In Unreal, I created an interactive sound design reel. By clicking different buttons, users can hear samples of my designs for different scenarios, as well as see how they were implemented into a working game. My released work can be heard in the game Cut Stuff, available through Roblox. I designed sound effects for the blade and the various objects it can cut through, as well as advise the developer on effective ways to implement the sounds to provide variety to the sound effects. And that's all. Thanks for watching my reel. You can check out the full clips of my work here on YouTube or go to my website, ekronquist.com.